Hey guys, we're showing this case for MacBook Air 13.6 inches for test and try. It is from the Kaijia box and foldable stand and the mouse pad. So this comes in a nice box. So let me just open this up and show it to you. So basically this is a fabric and plastic case for the MacBook Air and with the foldable stand as well. So see like this is a fabric and a plastic thing. So plastic case and on the top of it is a really nice soft fabric. This is a mouse pad and the mouse storage and this is the main case. So it's a nice plastic thing. This is my MacBook Air M3. So I'm just putting it on the bottom. So be sure like you know where you're ending up with these cuts so that you can easily see. So here this fits really well on these corners and now the top part. So just be sure like the charging and the aux port where you are putting in this will fit properly. So this will be a little click sound on the corners when this will totally fit on your top portion and things. Now this is totally fit and I'll close. This changed the look and feel really nice with this fabric coat. And this there's a aux cable with the porting thing and hole. There is no issue from the sides. And also like opening this is pretty straight. From the side also you can see the charging port and the two USB-C. So it's a very nice case till now like as I feel it and very nice and soft fabric. And this is the which you can also use the stand and this is for your air dissipation that you can just take take that hot air. So here you can see from the corners how this feels and clock properly and there is no issue with closing and using it. But be sure that you check your model properly because this is a complete fit. So this will fit only the selected models. And from the sides also you can see there's no issue and is captured properly. So this will help in not putting any scratch on your MacBook. So this also comes with this mouse and storage case, like you can store the mouse and this is a zipper and then you can use this as a mouse pad while using this and then. So it's a very nice set, keeping everything in mind, nice design and woven fabric with a nice stand magically in the bottom as well. So another great feature with this is the stand. So if you just take out this, cut out, stick this to the back, and then this becomes the stand. So this is a laptop stand that helps in heat dissipation from your laptop, and also like give a nice strength on the back, so you can easily type and use the laptop. So this is a nice case. It have like most of the things it will cover, like for the top and the bottom, then stand, the fan, the heat dissipation, mouse pad, and the cover. So a lot of other things with this cover. So very nice set, and you can just fold it back and just take it anywhere you want.